Girl? Ah! Why? This is an Augur Buzzard. We've lived together 14 years. And she's native to Africa. And she's horribly aggressive. She hates everybody except me, so. She's a good girl. Although it's a red tail, they've got a body design more like that of a vulture. Because of their habitat. There's not a lot of woods, trees and stuff like that to negotiate through in the savannas of northern Africa. So they have a real streamlined body, short tail, long wingspan, and they hunt by soaring overhead. That white shirt front camouflages them against those poofy clouds high up in the sky. And they don't need the long tail because that's for you know, braking and turning and negotiating through trees and around trees and stuff like that. So, see, I can't fly, but I can leap like a lizard.